I've been placed in the body of Christ as a teacher of God's true circle. I'm asking you to go 1 mile with me. Get out your calculator, follow along, and see if what I'm saying proves true. Every triangle, its squares, are linked through a reflection number back to the original 3.6-inch circumference circle's squares. And if you look at that circle in the middle, the reason I have tilted it that way is to show you that the 60-degree portion of the circle is also the hypotenuse of the equilateral triangle inside the circle. And whenever you multiply the diameter by the equilateral triangle height, it will equal the square of this length right here, the hypotenuse of the equilateral triangle, which is the 60-degree portion of the circle. And not only is it that length square, it's a reflection number that will tie all the squares from your circle, which that's where the triangle comes from, it's just portions of the circle, back to the original 3.6-inch circumference circle. Now, if you look at the diameter, which is our hypotenuse of our triangle, if we multiply this value by 75%, 0.75, it will give us the equilateral triangle height inside the circle. And we're going to multiply those two things together. And whenever you do, you'll get 183.75. That's our reflection number that will tie these squares back to the original circle. And if you're familiar with degrees of triangles, you'll know that this 1 rise to 2 run triangle is a 26.565051177 degree triangle with a 90-degree corner. Then the other side is 63.434948822 degrees. Now if you look at the inside heights, they're squares of the original circle. 26.5 degrees, its square is 0.26 repeating. Since we're working with squares, we're going to start out with the square root button. So hit your square root button, put in a parenthesis, 0.26 repeating, times 183.75. You got 7, correct? All right, now clear it out. Put in square root parenthesis 1.06 repeating times 183.75. Did you get 14? Awesome. Now do it again with the confirm the diameter. Square root parenthesis 1.3 repeating times 183.75. What'd you get?